In this video, we're going to learn nested if, which is basically an if inside an if. Okay, so what we have here are projects. There are 5 projects, and the status of the projects and the display. We have to display the status color here. For complete, it's going to be green. For ongoing, it's yellow, and for beginning, it's going to be red. So let's begin. Now, equal if. You already know the if function. A few videos earlier I had told you about the if function. So now logical test is going to be this cell is equals to this cell, and we'll have to make this cell into an absolute cell so that it no longer moves. So just press F4 and now it's an absolute cell. Now give comma for value if true. If value is true, then this cell, whatever it's in this cell, is going to be represented here. So we log that cell as well, and again I'm pressing on F4. Now if value is false, then we will do another if. So I'm giving here another if. Then again we're going to the logical test. So let's just give E13 here again is equal to, this time since it is not complete, and that would mean it's either ongoing or beginning. So first I'm giving ongoing, and then I'm locking that cell. Then we give a comma. So if value is true, then we would want this cell as an answer here. There you go. And if it is false, then we would want this cell as an answer here. Okay, there we go. We have locked it as well. Now close the brackets. There you go, 2 brackets, and hit enter. And then we're going to copy the formula. There we go. So complete, it's showing green. It's complete here again, so it's green again. Beginning is red, and ongoing is yellow. So the formula has been applied perfectly. Now we're going to apply the colors here using conditional formatting. In the previous videos we have also learned about conditional formatting. So let's go to data. Sorry about that. There you go, at home tab. I sometimes forget where the things are. Alright, now for conditional formatting, let's go there. And then we're going to do equal to. There we go. Now it's going to be red. Let's give it a custom format. Fill color, red. Okay. Red if cell format cell is equal to. Let's just say equal to this one, G8. There we go. Click on OK. It's done. And then let's do it again. Go to conditional formatting. Sorry about that. Go to equal to. Now if it is equal to yellow, I don't want that color. I want the yellow color. So let's choose the yellow color here. Click on OK. Then again, let's go to conditional formatting. We go to equal to. All this time I have selected this column. You should focus on that as well. Now equals to this cell, and the color is going to be green. There you go, green. And click on OK. There we go. Now it is done. So if I even change it here, let's just say I write beginning here and hit enter, the formula has changed the text and the conditional formatting has changed the fill color of it. So that is how you can use nested if and what nested if was. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.